guys, and welcome to IAAPA 2023. I am here with Foto Master. Right behind me, I have the Mirror X photo booth with a special 70-inch rectangular tempered mirror. Really sturdy here, and I'm going to step. There you have it. It puts it right there. You can email, text, or print the photo to yourself. In this case, I'm going to print the photo. The Mirror Air booth. Now this is a mirror photo booth. It's very special. It has a 65-inch tempered mirror as well as a built-in 40-inch TV within here, as you can see. Now we have in this demo 4 different templates. We have regular photo booth that cuts the strip, as well as AI cartoon, and our magic green screen. But as you can see, we have the magic green screen with all the different templates that you can choose.
So I'm gonna press touch here to see that nice rainbow. That's gonna give me a nice flash of my photo.
We have the wonderful model Air Saw. We're going to be demonstrating our newest product, and it's going to be called the Bot. Uses AI technology. You can have up to 5 robot arms. So once that is done, you can have somebody else come in and take a photo as well.
Massive options to change our borders over here. I got that as soon as this pipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this thing. I think you up here.
Right behind me, I have the Mosaic wall. Now this is a true modular Mosaic wall. You can have a combination of virtual as well as physical. And this is great for team building. It's great for like corporate events as well as private parties. A very fun interactive piece. Now I'm specific and utilize this Mosaic wall with our piece here at our high quality printer. Now we're just going to match the numbers to C28 R50. Now the turnkey package is going to include the 55-inch high quality TV as well as our PC and our printer. And this is an awesome return on investments for you and your client. There you have it. This is our V-Motion vertical mirror booth. Now this was equipped and it breaks down into 3 parts. It's very portable. We have a carrying case for our 6 weights for the base, and it comes standard with 24-inch TV. I'm gonna demo for you our lovely augmented reality. Now this is incorporated into our software. As you can see, we have our lovely tool there here. 3, 2. Now, do you like our photo? There we go.